Hi, this is Ted Goodar. We've got some exciting news today. Congress just announced that they are going to fund another round of the Paycheck Protection Program, known as PPP. Many of our small businesses who had fewer than 10 employees and our sole proprietors, such as realtors, did not get their application in on time in order to be considered for funding on the first round. Well, now we have that opportunity. We have to move quickly because those who are in line are going to get the next round of funding. So what is PPP and how is the loan amount determined and how do we have to pay it back? Well, first of all, in order to be eligible for PPP, we have to have a business. It can be a sole proprietorship, it can be an S corp, it can be a partnership, but we're eligible to apply. If we have less than 500 employees, if we self-certify that COVID-19 has impacted our business and caused some uncertainty with respect to the future of our business. And number three, that we have payroll. Payroll is where the rubber meets the road. At the end of the day, if we have payroll for our employees or for ourselves, that amount is what we're going to be able to apply for. So let's think of it this way. If you're an S corporation, you know what your salary is and you know what you pay your other employees. And that amount is what we are going to utilize to calculate your average monthly salaries or your average monthly payroll for the preceding 12 months or simply the calendar year of 2019. Now, if we're a sole proprietor, we are allowed to use our net income up to $100,000 plus our other payroll for purposes of determining our payroll amount. The only thing that we cannot include is that if we're an S corp, those S corp distributions, which are above and beyond our salary, where we don't pay self-employment tax, those cannot be utilized. So if you're a small business owner, what do we need? We need documentation on what your 2019 payroll was. We take that amount for the calendar year, we divide it by 12 to arrive at your average monthly payroll. We take that average monthly payroll times 2.5, and that becomes the amount of loan that you're eligible for. Now, once your loan is approved and you receive the money, you will have 8 weeks to spend that money. The goal is for 75% of that money to be spent on payroll. The other 25% can be spent on other things like rent or mortgage interest or utilities or healthcare expenses. Bottom line is, if we spend 100% of the money on allowable items with 75% directed towards payroll expenses, that loan will be 100% forgiven. To the extent that we don't spend that money over that 8-week period, it will be converted to a loan that will be paid back over 2 years at a 1% interest rate. This is a great program for our realtors and our other small business owners. If you need help pulling together your PPP application, call Goodorf Law Group. We can help you prepare the application, assemble the documents that are necessary, make sure that we maximize the loan amount, get the application submitted timely, and when you get your award, make sure that you spend your money correctly within the time frame. We're here to help. Call Goodorf Law Group, 937-898-5583. Have a great day.